Happy Vlogmas Day 20. Ignore my hair, everything. I'm just walking to Dunkin. I know I'd been saying I wanted to go. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. It's so loud. I know I've been saying I wanted to go to Dunkin and get some holiday drinks. So that's where we're headed. I'll probably just get Connor a cold brew. It's so windy out, but it's like 48 degrees or something. It feels like summer. It's amazing. Anyway, I'm gonna go on the Dunkin' app and order what I'm getting. And then we can do a reveal together to start out day 20 of Vlogmas. I can't believe we're almost there. I feel like I only have like 7 more days to film, which is devastating. But it'll be a nice break after it's over. Okay, look at my hair. That looks so good. Oh my gosh. I had to re-log into my account and I redeemed some points. So I got one of the drinks for free. And then I got just Connor a cold brew. I'll show you guys what I got. There wasn't anything new for the holidays. I guess I've already been here since it's been the holidays. We're here though. This looks pretty good. All right, here's the drink reveal. This is what I got, a cookie butter cold brew. I hope it's good. I don't know if I've tried this before. And then there's Connor's regular cold brew. All right, it does look pretty good. Let's give it a taste. Didn't I try the cookie butter flavor? This is like a solid 6.5 out of 10, but I can update you later if I change my mind. But right now, about a 6.5. It's beautiful though. Like, look at that foam. All right, see you later. Hey guys, we're going to a movie. Sorry, there's raindrops on the windshield reflecting on me, but I'll take you along. We're seeing The Housemaid, and then we're opening presents with Austin and Emma. I showed you the gifts. At least some of them yesterday whenever I wrapped, so maybe I'll vlog a little bit of that and we'll see where the night takes us. I need to remember to do my Sonny Angel advent calendar because I did not have time to do it today, but I will hopefully do it later. We're here, we're seeing The Housemaid. We're having Christmas dinner at Chipotle. I'll show you my bowl. We're at Blue Line. We ended up staying out a little bit late, so I need to go to bed because I have a dentist appointment, but we had a lot of fun exchanging gifts and seeing a movie and all that with Austin and Emma. They got me the Sonny Angel and some other cute gifts, which I can show you guys tomorrow, because honestly, I should go to bed. Also, he comes in a chair, and if you watched Vlogmas yesterday, you saw that Kate pulled this, so it was really fun that they got me this, because I was like, dang, I kind of wish I got one of those. So it's my festive Christmas Sonny Angel. But let's open the advent calendar. Somehow we're on day 6 already, so let's get into it. All right, what do we think it'll be? I'm gonna go with a fruit, because I keep trying to guess fruit and veggies, so fruit. The lighting has gotta be awful in here right now, but we're just gonna go for it. It's a veggie! It's a radish wearing a wreath shirt. Let's see if it'll focus. I'm filming on like the front camera, so it's never a good sign, but radish. Here's radish. This is a better view. In case you missed it, this is day 1 through 6. My favorite is still the green candy, but I will see you guys back here tomorrow for day 7 of the advent calendar. It'll be like day maybe 21 of Vlogmas. I forget. Good night. I think this is a carrot. It's either a radish or a carrot. So, sorry, I don't know. I feel like they look the same, and the only way I know the difference between the radish and the carrot is the color, but since it's pink, maybe a radish, maybe a carrot. But it does look like carrot now that I'm looking at it more. Either way, good night. I'll see you tomorrow.